How to add descriptions on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this Vimeo tutorial, you will be learning how you can add description to your videos on Vimeo. To add description to your videos is very simple. The first step, of course, is to log in into your Vimeo account. Once you're logged in, you can see your home page, you can see the recent thing you did, you can see your feed and the likes. The next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see icons or a menu displaying options such as home, library, live events, showcases, analytics. So ensure you click on library. By clicking on library, you will be brought to your page where you will see all of your videos uploaded. Then go ahead and select the video that you'd like to add a description to. So after selecting the video and you're brought to the video page, you would see the video title, right? Just below the video title, you'll see the option description, right? So once you can see that, the next step is for you to add your description. And the amazing thing in Vimeo is that for the description, you can bolden your writings, you can make it italics, you can underline, you can hyperlink, you can even add bullets to your writings. You can see how cool that is. So you can go ahead and type out your description. Um, so you can type out a description depending on what the video is all about. So I'll just do that right away. A video tutorial on Vimeo. Watch and learn, and that is it. A description has been added easily, so you can just go ahead and add your thumbnail if you want. You can add content rating and the likes, and that is it. This is how you can add description to your videos on Vimeo. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.